Hi there! In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can connect Odoo to MindCloud via API integration. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along. For starting, make sure that you have admin access to your Odoo account and your MindCloud API key ready. And this will help you automate workflows between Odoo and MindCloud. So once you log into your Odoo account, you will go ahead and click settings and just wait for it to load. And then next, you will look for API connections or you will look for integrations. So now that you're here, what you will have to do is you will select API connections if it is available for you. And basically, you will just have to to click add new. And then after that, you will choose MindCloud from the list of supported services. And then you will enter your API key and API secret. And then you will just have to click secret from your API key and API secret from MindCloud. And then you will just have to click connect or save or whatever. It really depends on your layout. And then after that, you will just have to test the connection to ensure that Odoo successfully communicates with MindCloud. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.